making this important point to our viewers. We're not the only country. Pakistan has not played host to any international event since 2009, since the attack on the Sri Lankan team. Barring Zimbabwe, there has been no international match. So what is Pakistan talking about?
But, I mean, nobody wants to visit Pakistan. They're scared. They're scared, actually scared. And we're not talking of cricket, we're talking of many others.
They're hankering for a series in Dubai because they know they play England and Australia there. They want to play this at a neutral venue, but even that the BCCI should take a stance on. Shuman, the reality is that the BCCI has got itself on a sticky wicket, as you mentioned earlier as well. And it's not being able to take a clear line. It is getting hammered from both sides. You know, people in the country are asking them questions, and PCB, of course, is threatening them at regular intervals.
Absolutely. Posturing one thing in the country and posturing something else outside. This is what BCCI has been doing for quite some time. In the international forum, they are saying that we are helpless. We only abide by the government and we are willing to play Pakistan because principally we accept. And while coming back to India, they say, no, principally we don't accept. It cannot happen. So dual stance. Having said that, in another 10 to 15 minutes, the meeting is going to start in Dubai, where the acting BCCI Secretary Amitav Chaudhary and CEO of BCCI Rahul Johri both are going to attend the meeting, and it's not going to be a very longish meeting. The agenda, of course, is to persuade Pakistan not to take this issue up to the international forum, that India has not abided by its MOU that India had signed. But having said that, the BCCI must explain its position clear, that principally also we are opposed to play Pakistan any bilateral series given the political situation, and it's given also that it's not going to improve in the near future. So it's not going to happen. It's let's not fool ourselves. Let's not depend on government's clearance. Government is not going to give any clearance, period. It's not going to happen in the next 6 months. It's not going to happen in the next 1 year or so, because the situation is not going to improve the way Pakistan has been behaving. That's what the government believes. That's what everybody else also believes. Just before concluding, I had interviewed some of the Olympic medalists, Sushil Kumar, the double Olympic medalist, as well as Karnam Malleshwari. Both of them said that even principally they're opposed to playing Pakistan in a multi-nation tournament, but they have to play because that serves the interest of the country. If India doesn't play Pakistan in the Champions Trophy, it might not progress to the next level. That is the compulsion. But here you do not have any compulsion. Where you do not have a compulsion, it's optional. Why will you go for playing for Pakistan only because of monetary reasons, only for financial reasons? Posturing. These two things have been pointed out by our Olympic medalist as well. It's basically posturing, rightly.
Yes, Shuman, in fact, let's listen in to some of those icons from sports talking very categorically on this issue. But the question still remains, why can't the BCCI be so categorical and clear? Listen in to some athletes talking about this.
हमारा जो देश है क्रिकेट को इतना प्यार करता है, बीसीसीआई को इतना प्यार करता है, बस मैं यही कहूँगा कि देश की जो भावना है वो अभी ये है कि उसको अभी आप सोल्जरों को लेके कितना लोग आज परेशान हैं, हर रोज़ वहाँ कश्मीर में हमारे साथ हर रोज़ कुछ ना कुछ होता रहता है, तो मगर ऐसी चीज़ आपके माध्यम से मुझे पता लगा कि बगैर विदाउट परमिशन के वो बातचीत कर रही है, तो मेरे ख्याल से ये चीज़ ठीक नहीं।
क्योंकि चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी में मल्टीनेशनल टूर्नामेंट्स में आप खेल रहे हो पाकिस्तान के साथ, ठीक है, अभी कॉमनवेल्थ में बायलैटरल नहीं होना चाहिए।
पाकिस्तान कॉमनवेल्थ में आता है, एशियन गेम्स में आता है, तो फाइट होगी वहाँ पे, तो हार जीत होती है वहाँ पे, मगर इस तरीके से कोई टूर्नामेंट आप कराते हो तो वो बगैर परमिशन, जी, वो मेरे ख्याल से बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल